Hey, welcome back. Today is April 8th, and this is my third post today. And on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how they could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets. Before diving into BakerySwap token, BAKEBUSD, and see what has gone on in here. I'll be telling about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100 US. And I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market first. I've already done a more detailed post on Bitcoin dominance and price action and see how they could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets in my earlier post today. Do take a look at that. It's important, but I'm going to run over it very quickly right now. Bitcoin dominance down over 1% right now. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action up over 3%. Total altcoin market cap up over 6%. Now, this is the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards. I will usually see total altcoin market cap leading in gains ahead of Bitcoin. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance trend downwards. That's generally speaking better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside. Because conversely speaking, if Bitcoin dominance was trending upwards, the upside of that, I would usually see Bitcoin leading in gains ahead of total altcoin market cap. On the weekly time frame here for Bitcoin dominance, we're still in a falling wedge pattern. Falling wedge patterns are generally bullish patterns. And do take a look into the last two instances, more recent instances where we had a falling wedge pattern. Bitcoin dominance breaking to the upside. If Bitcoin dominance breaks to the upside, not as ideal for the altcoins, because the best case scenario in that sense would be that Bitcoin would actually be trending higher and total altcoin market cap trailing behind that. However, the worst case scenario in terms of Bitcoin dominance trending higher would be if Bitcoin pulls back. The altcoins are going to feel it a lot more, as we have seen yesterday. Bitcoin here on a weekly time frame. Weekly bearish divergence is still playing out right now. The safer signal, as I've been saying, is looking for a higher high on the price action chart along with a higher high on the RSI to tell me that this bearish divergence is done playing out. And the last high RSI reading to beat is about 75 here, okay, from this little top. Still some bearish signals on the monthly time frame. Do take a look into my earlier post today. And if Bitcoin pulls back at any time, it could still have a bearish effect on the altcoins. That bearish effect will be greater if Bitcoin dominance is trending higher. Let's go over to Bake. Take a look from the monthly time frame down to the daily. See if we have any overbought RSI readings or possible bearish divergence scenarios to be looking out for. Monthly time frame here, we don't have a reading. Let's move down. Neither do we on the weekly. So 3-day here, we are currently at about 35 here. So not in overbought territory, actually near oversold territory. Okay. Oversold would be 30 and under. Daily time frame, we're currently about 46. Let's take a look into what has happened since last time. Since last time, I did point out a falling wedge pattern here. One outlier here. Measure target is about $2.75, slightly under. Now, As I have said, following watch patterns, according to Thomas Bukowski and his website, thepatternstart.com, it is a 68% chance of it breaking to the upside. The measure target here is a theoretical approximate target only. May actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Price action looks like it has broken to the upside. Got rejected at about the $1.25 level, that range there, before getting rejected, and then came all the way back down to about 90 cents even before getting a bounce here, which we had a previous bounce as well at about that level. Right now, it does seem like it's forming it had a double bottom pattern, and that could be playing out. The neckline of this smaller double bottom pattern is $1.20, where I can actually get a trend line across 3 daily candles at least. Measure target for this double bottom pattern is about $1.53, slightly above. Double bottom patterns are generally bullish patterns as well. Let's take a look into some key resistances and supports relevant to this price action right now. We're trying to close back on top of the daily 21 MA, which is the blue line, the only higher time frame moving average that I see here. Okay. After the daily 21 MA, if we actually do get a close back on top of that moving average, the next level of key resistance would be about the $1.20, which is the neckline of the double bottom pattern, followed by $1.45 fit level area, followed by $1.75 fit level area if price action gets to that far. Key support, if we do actually close back on top of this daily 21 MA, which we should know within about 90 minutes, then that would become key support, the daily 21 MA, followed by the $1.05 fit level area, which is very close to the daily 21 MA as well. If that does not hold, I'll be looking at the previous low here at about 90 cents, slightly above 90 cents for support. Before, next up, about 85 cents. And then again, one more wick right here, 82.5 cents. Okay. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action breaks above this neckline of this double bottom pattern. A safer signal here would be getting a daily candle close on top of this neckline, because we have not had a daily candle close above it since the breakout of this falling wedge pattern. So getting daily candle closes, staying closed, and go towards this measure target, and let's see if it continues to the bigger measure target here. Of course, mining some of the resistance levels I have just pointed out as well. Bearish case scenario, price action starts breaking support again. First, about the $1.05 fit level area, in addition to the daily 21 MA. The next level of key support I'll be looking at below the $1.05 fit level area would be, again, this past bounce that we had, about 90 cents, 85 cents, 82.5 cents, and see if those levels hold. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to know. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you'd like to see any of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.